All right, this is topic 6.2, and much like topic 6.1, it's kind of just a review of what we did last topic. And our standard is whoops, our standard is pretty much the same right here. If you want to go ahead and review what our standard is, but the key is to multiply up to 4 digits by a 1-digit whole number and multiply two 2-digit numbers using strategies based on the place value and property operations. So what this example is showing you right here is that a small school bus holds 24 passengers. Oops. Let's do that a little bit better. 24 passengers. A small jet holds 4 times that number. All right, and then the picture right here does a nice job illustrating what exactly that would look like. So you have the school bus, it holds 24 passengers. And then the small jet holds 4 times as many. So we could simply represent that by drawing 4 school buses. Or in this case, we just have a block with the number 24 in it to represent a school bus. 4 school buses, and then so we have 24 times 4, and if we do that the standard algorithm, we'll do that the standard algorithm first. 4 times 4 is 16, so we put the 6 here, and then we have to carry the 1 up to the top. Remember to carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So we can say 24 times 4 equals 96. So now we know that the number of passengers that the small jet holds is 96, or 4 times 24. All right, so let's take a look at this problem right here. Oops. Let's take a look at this problem right here. 29 times 3. Hello? All right, so let's take a look at this one, and here we have 29 times 3. Now, we're going to use partial product on this one, which means we'll create 2 different lines, 2 separate lines to figure it out. All right, so the first thing we do is 3 times 9 is 27, right? So we write our 27 right here. Okay, now we're moving on to the 10 spot. The 2 is in the 10 spot. So we need to remember to place an X right here. Okay, and then we simply do 3 times 2, which is 6. And then we add them together and we get 7 plus 0 is 7. And 6 plus 2 is 8. All right, now these right here, these 2 numbers are what we call partial products. Partial products, they're part of the answer, partial pieces of the answer. So these are partial products. It's important to remember that this is the partial product method of solving a multiplication sentence. All right, so here we go right here. So we have 24 times 4, and this is just showing you, giving you a better illustration of what to do. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, and in this case, they placed a 0 here, but it's just as easy to place an X, whatever works for you. All right, and then 2 times 4 is 8, and they add them together, and they get 96. So 24 times 4 is 96. All right. All right, and one more practice problem. And let's go 2 times 8 is 16. Partial product, part of the answer, 16. Now we've moved on to the 10 spot. This digit, the 8, is in the 10 spot. So we're going to put an X right here. And 2 times 8 is again 16. Now see, I've gotten a little bit sloppy right here. This X was a little bit large, and I kind of started moving my numbers over here. So it's not so bad right now, but if I had 2 or 3 more numbers, digits in this number right here, I might start blending them together. See how right here this is this way, and then this kind of slightly goes over to that way. So you want to always remember to keep your numbers lined up. But now let's add them. 6, 7, 1. So 2 times 88 is 176. All right, hope this helps.